The pink Supra. It's just hard. It's just hard. And just the engine. It's just hard. Twin turbo Sheepy built R8. Sheepy races under hella drama right now because their cars burned down hella. They're red. I don't know if you can see the circle thing that's red. Shelby GT500. Very nice. Very nice. Chop hard. We got the Yaris. The Toyota Yaris. I call it Toyota Yaris. It sounds funny, but it's a Yaris. Yeah. This is hard. This is a big ass ceramics. Oh my goodness. That shit is tough. This shit just looks absolutely fucking majestic. What the fuck? I think they call these like the Porsche RWB or some shit like that. I don't know. RS, what the cage and everything, that is.
It's pretty cool.
This shit's hard as hell, boy. Carrera RS. Their dealer tax. That shit's so tough. I did the fucking Cybertruck. Oh, we got the. Is that? I wonder if that's a Tesla bike or some shit.
It's a fat ass bed.
Yeah. Damn. This thing is low-key massive. This is so minimalistic. Oh my goodness. You can watch YouTube
There's
on
so much room. So much room.
Yeah. It's so sleek. That shit is very nice. Look at that. Look how big this glass is. Oh, it's just one big ass fucking wiper. What the fuck? Cybertruck. I wonder if who's gonna try to bulletproof it and just fucking shoot it. It's bulletproof. Yeah, room in the back. Oh, we have a screen back here too? They can watch YouTube in the back. They have a whole ass screen. That's so tough. That's so tough.
Ready for it, yeah.
They don't get it.
It's half on half. So they're both wraps. Pretty sure they're both wraps. It's just C6. C63 AMG. Wonder, does this one come with all the screens? Oh, it is screen each one. Look at that. That shit is tough.
Sexy in here.
That's tough.
It's tough at steering wheel.
That's tough. There's a lamb. That shit is tough as hell, boy. You need some tires ASAP, buddy. You need some tire. The tax loophole. That shit is tough. Oh, I got the steel brakes. They're kind of basic, but looks nice. Super clean. 454s. So these are like the same engine that my BMW had, but just very different. Big fucking single on this M54. Oh my goodness, this is tough. Another big single hood dump. Ported, both have port. That's crazy as hell, boy. And then here's James. James. What's up, James?
What's up, man? How you feeling?
Good, bro. What's up? How's life?
It's alright, man.
It's alright. Anything new to the whip since last time I seen it?
We got the M2 bumper.
Yeah.
Homeboy Avery just slapped on the wrap.
Hard. That's tough, man.
Yeah, so.
Good shit. Did you turn off the boost from winter?
I actually turned it back down, man. Just back it down to, yeah.
Oh, okay. Fair enough, man.
Back down.
That's just tough, man.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll see you around though. What he said. Or another single one. No port injection, but very nice. This shit, why does it look so mean, bro?
It just looks like
The military green, that shit look mean. Fuck the Porsche, bro. Should have gotten a bang. That shit's tough. This is a Hellcat Durango and slicks. I don't like these that much, but that shit looks nice. MPLV Chihuahua. That's a Mexico license plate. No way that's real. That's just fucking hilarious. I've never seen a plate with an emoji on it.
Why is this shit old as fuck?
Oh, it actually says it slow. There's a real plate in the back. RPM. That's a shop here in Colorado. They do great work. Fast ass whips. We got an entire row of bikes. You got R6, ZX6, S1000, Aprilia. These are new ZX10s. 600. Gixxer. You got the fucking RX-7. What the fuck is an RX-7 with the Honda motor swap? There's a Mazda with a Honda motor. K-Power. That's just tough. Right seats. RX-7. That's an interesting swap. Very nice swap. There you go. No, like the recording got interrupted. The see-through fucking carbon hood for the GTR R35. Very nice, very nice. And then the wide body built GTR. It's an entire row of Mopars. That neon though, look at that neon.
I would pull everybody over. All the cops.
That's crazy as hell, man. This is tough ass rap. Cool ass rap, nice ass BBO type shit. Yeah. Hell Keezy. Ram truck. M4. Oh, it's an M3. It's 4-door. M3. G80 M3. Very nice, very nice. The turbo Mustang. The turbo Mustang. Very nice. Very nice. Is it gutted or anything? Oh no, it's talking to. Somebody put a 360 cam on a Lexus? And what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Boy, what the fuck, boy? 4-cylinder turbo. Wait. Dude. This is a G82 on 4 right here. Very nice. Very, very nice. These are growing on me so much. Very nice. I didn't like the hype. I didn't want to join the bandwagon, but these are very nice.